my easy, parsimonious chicken tortilla soup. I'm just going to add in some veggies, okay? But first, just get a little bit of olive oil down. All right, into my pan here to sweat everything out, the jalapenos and my onions I'm about to get in with some salt.
Salt.
And then I like to hit it with lots of black pepper. And the onions, I like to kind of not chop them down. I love how they can kind of, you know, be a texture moment in the soup, and you pull up your spoon and there's little pieces of onion hanging off the side, you know. So think about that when you slice them down. And then get in a little bit of cumin. Let all of these spices bloom.
Smoked paprika?
You already know, this is my hot Hungarian paprika.
I haven't seen it in a while.
It has been in the pantry. Speaking of the pantry, it's a good time at the start of the year to look through your pantry, smell all of your spices. If they don't smell like what they should smell like, just get rid of them. This is gonna get nice and tender. To this, I would add the can of diced tomatoes and green chilies that is always in my pantry for a good nacho dip. Yeah, it's all in the same can.
So smart.
Yeah, and sometimes you can get just the green chilies, but I like the tomatoes and the green chilies together.
That's like you added salsa to your chili once. Remember you made that?
That's right.
It's a great idea.
And then, GZ, this luscious stock. Just pour that right over the top.
That's at least, what, 2.5 boxes of stock?
Oh, easily.
Yeah,
Maybe even more.
And then just shut up the pot, you know?
At least 2 boxes.
All right, so after that is all in there, you're gonna cover it up. You're gonna cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes or so, just to kind of make everything marry. And then it's gonna come out looking like this, and then we're not done yet. To that, you just add in some rotisserie chicken. Obviously, you can buy shredded chicken now in the grocery store, or your rotisserie chicken and do the work yourself. But we're saving money here, so.
I wonder if we did how much this would cost per person. I probably like
very inexpensive, I would have to say. So the chicken, just so you know, I put that in at the last minute, maybe just 5 minutes before you serve. It's already cooked. I don't want to cook it super long and dry it out. I just want to rehydrate it and bring it into the game. So let me make a little bowl.
game time.
It's game time.
It's game time.
Giddy up.
This is actually game time.
Giddy up.
Giddy up. That's what you say when you ride a horsey. I mean, you got to have some toppings for that. It's all about.
Very simple. Okay, now this is what I've also found as I'm trying to get back into my jeans, is the smaller you slice things up, the more plentiful they feel. So just get that on there.
We could have used some of that leftover green taqueria style sauce too.
Oh, yeah.
Actually, really could. That would be delicious.
For plunk.
And then, oh, here we go, a spoon. And then this would be, and kind of looks like sour cream, but I've been replacing that in my kitchen with a little Greek yogurt.
Oh.
Full fat.
Risotto.
Right over the top.
Did you fry those strips?
Yeah,
Sonny?
those are fried, 350 with some oil. You can do canola. I usually do like a shallow fry too. Don't worry about deep frying it. Just an inch in your pan.
Jeff, that's for Jeff.
And give it a go.
That's for me.
Yeah.
Here, pass that hot sauce down if you want
sauce,
any.
there you go.
Do you want hot sauce?
Yeah, I'll have some hot sauce, and I'd love a spoon, and I can do this old-timey style.
Lisa, can I have some more tortillas too?
Yeah, wow, 2 spoons. I'm going in there, Sonny. I got some onion hangover.
Great.
Simple. You've got a good stock to start with, so you don't really have to go hard in the paint, you know, with the flavor.
The foundation is a good stock, and it's, you know, it's soup. It's soup consistency, but it tastes thick on the palate. You know what I mean? Because it's so luscious. Then you get the little crispy bits on top from those strips of tortilla. The Greek yogurt brings the tang like a crema or sour cream would.
I love crema.
And the star of the show is that perfectly reinvigorated chicken. You know, that is just perfect. Dab of hot sauce per spoon. And you got yourself meal number 2 from chicken number 1.